In 2025, Apple breaks its pattern of modest annual updates. Apple Watch Ultra 3 ushers in 6 transformative hardware enhancements that redefine what a rugged smartwatch can do. From ultra-slim styling to independent cellular connectivity, this model turns a high-performance timepiece into an all-in-one wearable tool for outdoors, athletes, and anyone craving smarter independence and real-time health awareness. Slimmer, lighter, ultra-comfortable design. While Ultra 2 brought minor tweaks, the Ultra 3 pushes design evolution farther. Apple achieves a 10 to 15% reduction in thickness, shaving off bulk while keeping the robust titanium casing that defines Ultra's ultra-grade durability. Runners, hikers, and everyday users feel it, a refined ergonomic profile with smoother curves, diminished edge thickness, and a lighter wrist presence, making all-day wear significantly more comfortable, especially during gear-intense activities or layered clothing setups. The bold flat-edged aesthetic remains, but now with a sculpted finesse that balances comfort with endurance. Edge-to-edge wide-angle OLED display. A landmark upgrade, Ultra 3 introduces an expansive wide-angle OLED panel, coupled with almost bezel-free edge-to-edge visuals. This translates into enhanced contrast, sharper graphics, and superb readability at extreme wrist tilt angles, ideal for downhill treks, swim sessions, or checking stats mid-glance. With bigger fonts, larger fitness graphs, and more visible map data, navigation and workout tracking feel intuitive and immersive. This display is arguably the largest screen ever on an Apple Watch, surpassing even Series 10, resulting in fewer taps and more glance-based efficiency. Two-way satellite SOS, real off-grid lifeline. Perhaps the most critical addition, full two-way satellite SOS support, enabling emergency messaging without iPhone reliance. With a long press of the side button, Ultra 3 connects directly to satellites to transmit your exact location and situation to rescue networks. This is not just a beacon, it supports bidirectional communication, delivering emergency instructions and confirmations back to the wrist. For remote trailblazers, climbers, boaters, or anyone off the grid, this is a standalone safety tool offering peace of mind in truly isolated environments. Next-gen 5G RedCap modem for seamless connectivity. Ultra 3 incorporates a custom 5G RedCap modem, built for low-power, low-latency cellular streaming and syncing. This isn't a smartphone chip repurposed, it's fine-tuned for watches. Whether in the heart of a city or the edge of coverage, connectivity remains sharp, messages dispatch faster, Siri responses are nearly instant, and music or map apps sync fluidly, even without your iPhone nearby. Ultra 3 intelligently switches between 5G and satellite links, ensuring you're constantly online wherever performance matters. S11 System in Package, power, precision and efficiency. Powering these advances is the new S11 chip, optimized for machine learning, sensor fidelity, and operational endurance. Expect improved health tracking accuracy, smoother multitasking, and longer battery life, despite supporting 5G and satellite. Smart power gating dynamically shuts off unused modules in real time, conserving juice. Ultra 3 delivers multi-day battery life even with heavy use, maintaining its reputation for stamina under extreme conditions. Non-invasive blood pressure monitoring, wellness revolution. The most ambitious health upgrade, continuous, cuffless blood pressure measurement via advanced optical and pulse wave analysis. The Ultra 3 silently tracks systolic/diastolic trends in the background, issuing real-time alerts if values deviate from your baseline. This is major for anyone managing stress, hydration, overtraining, or cardiovascular wellness, helping you catch trends before they escalate. Integrated into the Health app, it offers deep insight on how daily routine impacts vital signs, turning the watch into a proactive health vitals monitoring system. Software intelligence and watchOS 26 enhancements. Ultra 3 ships with watchOS 26, which introduces liquid glass interface elements influenced by visionOS, offering translucent, fluid visuals across the watch UI. Apple Intelligence powers features such as Workout Buddy, a real-time fitness coach that uses your workout history and body data to personalize suggestions mid-session, ideal for high-performance athletes and training buffs alike. New apps include Notes functional right from the wrist, syncing bidirectionally with iCloud, plus live translation and messages, translating incoming SMS immediately into your preferred language, reserved for Series 9, Series 10, Ultra 2, and now Ultra 3 users. Design and performance recap feature. Ultra 3 with watchOS 26 highlights slim form 10 to 15% thinner titanium frame, smoother edges for 24/7 comfort. Display ultra-wide-angle OLED, edge-to-edge bezel removal, highest screen real estate. Satellite SOS two-way emergency messaging independent of iPhone 5G RedCap modem. Low power, low latency, seamless switching to satellite when needed. S11 chip efficient ml, precise sensors, multi-day battery with smart gating, blood pressure tracking passive, continuous cuffless monitoring with real-time alerts. WatchOS 26 features AI-driven workout buddy, liquid glass UI, notes app, live translation, contextual scrolling. Why it's not just a rugged upgrade, it's a smart evolution. Die-hard adventurers, endurance athletes, and wellness-focused users now have more than a durable watch, they have an independent health and safety companion. That ultra DNA of rugged strength is there, but now, this watch is smarter, more intuitive, more independent, and more wellness-aware than anything that came before. So imagine starting a multi-day trail run with confidence, using satellite SOS if something goes wrong, monitoring your blood pressure trends quietly, viewing workout metrics clearly on the big, bezel-free display, and relying on fast 5G sync when needed, all without hauling your iPhone in harsh terrain. Final thoughts: is the Ultra 3 worth the wait? Absolutely. If you've been waiting for a smartwatch that moves beyond surface upgrades and delivers meaningful innovation, especially around health vitals monitoring, satellite connectivity, and performance features, then yes. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is more than the next iteration, it's a complete transformation. With watchOS 26 adding AI-powered apps, productivity tools, and a refined interface, Apple is steering the Ultra line toward multifunctional wearable excellence.